Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert double border in Microsoft Word document. So let's start it. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that insert double border in Microsoft Word document. Firstly, insert double border. Now going to the design one option. Now going to the page border option. Then click on the mode border option. Over click, then click on the double border. Now click on the edit option and click on the repeat option. Now click for OK. That's it. Then I show insert double border in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.